Welcome back to another banger video. My little friend Angel, right there. Let me use his RC car. Don't. I'm gonna use his little RC car. I got this little wheel right here. See? And look,
right here.
let me turn this on.
Hold on. I'm gonna do 10 seconds.
Wait till you see what happens.
And then
Bam! Look at that.
10 seconds just so you can get ready.
I'm already ready.
Go. Easy.
Look, I could do some tricks. Look, I'm just pressing this. If you want to join, go ahead.
Go. Fight another. Go.
I'm gonna try to come. Oh, wait, okay. Come here, buddy.
There's a gunshot right there.
Yeah. Come back over there into this, okay? Go right there. Now come back.
Let's go.
Come
Go.
on.
Bruh.
Come on.
There's a gunshot. You need to carry the Glock with you.
Stop. Stop it. Stop.
Now you
Stop
ready?
it. Stop.
And
Stop
I'm
it.
coming towards me.
Stop.
I'm on the ground
Stop.
right here.
Stop, you're gonna be grounded. Stop.
Go.
Yeah, give a little yeah. Push it. Well, but ow! Don't push him like that.
I just need to edit some of the clips, alright?
Yeah.
Buddy, go over there, look. Go over there, okay? Yeah, good boy. Alright. You wanna do it? Here you go. Here, let me do one for you. Let me come back. Come back, buddy. There you go. Talk to them.
Well,
Hey, my name is Buddy.
There's something on YouTube that I
And
saw
I'm a
now.
police car.
And be honest with me. I'm in this video.
Stop, Angel. Now go continue your Ragawa.
Angel, I need this. Angel, I need your honest opinion on this, okay? Because I'm in this. Just look, I'm in this. Not here, but just look.
He said I don't. He said he doesn't want to
Look,
talk
I'm
to you
right
guys. I'm just kidding. Of course you
I'm
want
right
to talk to you guys. Okay, he can talk. He's a car. Anyway,
I was at the science center.
let's
I'm right
go.
there. I was in most of the videos. Yeah, you see.
Hey, buddy.
Look.
Where you going?
Alright,
Buddy, where you
Alright,
going?
David, I'm definitely shooting you this time.
Stop. Wait, is there?
Angel.
And it's time to end this video.
Angel, come back on the boat. So I'm gonna run now.
No, I'm gonna do this,
Wait.
and then look.
I'm skipping. Anyway,
Oh, buddy, don't do that.
I was like this.
Do that one more time. We're going for 8 weeks.
Yeah, look, mine's right there. That underscore WReed. That's me.
Why are you going so crazy?
Look at his. Like he was excited. Look, boy. Look, boy. Boy.
I am.
I said, be careful, y'all. Mom, look, Mama Liza did a video of us at the science center. I was being goofy. Andrew. Look at, I'm right meow. I was laughing so hard.
That's at the science center?
No, we're at the bar. That was Kai, Bryson, Gianni,
Miss Soil.
Jesse. Miss Soil.
It's not on.
I was laughing so hard.
Let's play the game where you have to catch it. I'm gonna be like this though. I need to get the car. You gotta tease me.
Don't be shy.
You gotta tease me, not do that. Not do that, you gotta tease me.
Angel.
I like tease you.
Like, make it come. Oh.
I will open meow.
Where were you? I forgot.
That's a liquid night.
I forgot where you were. Hey, Dad, I forgot where you were.
Science Center, focus on that blue jacket, boy.
Why?
Cause I'm in this. There were so many parts that old man blooped out. These are bloopies. So that's it. I mean, I still spoke though.
I got it. No, I'm gonna just put it down and I'll make it go to you.
I'm gonna destroy it.
No, that's your own car, right?
It's not.
Then give it to me. It's not yours.
Oh my goodness. Alright, ladies, in here. Angel. Angel! Go get your phone, boy. You have 10 seconds.
Jaden.
10, 9, 8. Guys, I think it's time for us to go. I think it's already 11. Yo, what time is it? Mom.
Bye, guys.